Welcome to Laird Thermal Systems' 4th Thermal Wizard product training module. This presentation will introduce our advanced thermal management tool with an example that demonstrates our liquid cooling calculator. Laird Thermal Systems has developed the Thermal Wizard to help solve the challenge of selecting the right thermal management solution to meet specified or unknown cooling requirements. It also solves the issue of developing trial designs to solve what-if scenarios and knowing when to engage with a thermal solution vendor to prototype custom configurations. The Thermal Wizard is designed to help engineers quickly determine the optimum cooling solution based on their cooling requirement. Whether your application requires a thermoelectric cooler assembly, or liquid cooling system, the Thermal Wizard is a web-based specification and selection tool that links product search to thermal calculators to product availability. If you know your heat load or desired cooling requirement, you can use the Thermal Wizard QC slider. In this example, we will work with a QC requirement of 1800 watts. With this QC requirement, we will produce a number of liquid cooling system options. From here, you can select the best option for your application. For example, the Nextreme Chiller NRC 1200. This has two available voltage configurations, 120 and 230 volt. To check availability, click the Buy Now button to the right. We will select this part number to access the datasheet. This takes us to the NRC 1200 datasheet, where we can see if the mechanical layout of the unit fits our application. We can also check the cooling capacity on the ambient condition and selected temperature set point. The pump curve shows how pressure will impact the flow rate of the unit. At this point, you may download a PDF datasheet, check availability at one of our authorized distributors, or request a quote. If you do not know the QC requirement of your application and would like to identify which chiller will perform best, you may use the Thermal Wizard liquid calculator. In this example, we will use cooling and industrial laser for the application. According to the specifications, the minimum flow rate will be 5.7 liters per minute. The cooling fluid is a 25 to 35% Dow frost, which is a propylene glycol. From the options available, a 60-40 water glycol would be the most accurate. This results in an inlet temperature of 24.6 and an outlet temperature of 20, meaning that the temperature differential, or the delta T, will be 4.6 degrees. We will now adjust the slider so that it matches the application's QC specification of 1666.7 watts. Click Search, and you will see a range of cooling options for this application. Let's have a closer look at the NRC 1200 and how that will perform based on these specifications. From the specification sheet, we can review a curve of the cooling capacity depending on the coolant temperature. Because this example is a 60-40 water glycol coolant, we can turn off all other 100% water cooling options. This application also has a coolant temperature specification of 15 to 30 C. To be able to deliver a cooling capacity of 1666.7 watts, we can see that this particular chiller needs to operate at a cooling temperature of approximately 25 degrees and would therefore meet our requirement. Another thing to check is the pump curve for this unit. It will tell us whether we have enough flow to the pressure drop. For this laser application, the maximum pressure differentiation is 2 bar. If we follow the curve out, we will have a flow rate of 12 to 13 liters per minute if we operate at 50 Hertz, which is the EU standard. If we operate at US standard, which is 60 Hertz, we get 17 liters per minute. This means that this chiller model certainly fulfills the application requirements of 5.7 liters per minute. In summary, the Thermal Wizard is an advanced thermal management tool that helps determine the optimum cooling solution based on your application requirements. You can always use the liquid cooling calculator when you don't know your delta T or when you have other specific requirements. The Thermal Wizard not only provides standard solutions, it will also determine when you may need to contact a Laird Thermal Systems expert for a custom solution.